Alright, so when we're doing gates that are on a hill, the gate is always going to swing down to the hill. Otherwise, when you try to open it, it's going to jam right into the hill. Block in down here with 2x4s between each one of your rails on each side. And then obviously cut your post tops and put a trim board inside here. I wasn't really sure about the Milwaukee chainsaw, the Fuel, the M18, but it's actually really awesome, man. We warranty all of our gates, which is why we use screws whenever we're building them. We have one toenail here to just hold it in place, and then we have the two really long ones. So we're going to run those in. We have an upright going right here, no grab right now. We're going to set that one up and mark it. And this is what I was talking about with the trim boards. You put those trim boards inside because now our T-hinge is going to be a T right here and the strap's going to come across on this side. Got all the pickets picketed from that side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put up our T-hinge and then fasten it, unscrew the screws, and cut our gate. Alright, so we got our T-hinges on, we got our bracing in, we got our upright in. And if you remember those screws we toe-nailed in to hold the gate in place, I already took the screws out from there, there, and here. Now we'll pull this one out. The gate will just swing open. The reason why we put those boards in the back of there earlier is because we weren't really sure where our ladder was going to land. Alright, and there you have a beautiful in-swinging gate. This is how we do our in-swinging gates. You always want to pre-drill your holes, especially on your Cedar. That's it right there. Just like we did the single gates, we went ahead and put our hinges on, took out our screws, and then cut it loose. There's a drop rod on this side, so this side stays stationary and you could swing this one to it.